Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today we have this little pocket rocket of a Fiat 500 Abarth 595 in for so many different upgrades. Today I'm going to walk you through all of them. I'm not going to shed too much light on each one because otherwise the video will go on and on forever. However, if you're interested in either one of these items or the entire package, you know exactly what to do. Just drop us a line and we're happy to quote. But also, all these sort of things are live on our website. Head over to our website, have a little browse, and you can have multiple upgrades like this client has done all at once. So let's start off then with a little bit of functionality. So these vehicles are absolutely really fun around town. However, they can be a bit of a chore to drive on the motorway, and that main reason for that is if you're used to having cruise control on a vehicle, these don't come with it. But that has all changed. We've added in cruise control onto this little monster, which is really, really cool. It's very easy to use. It's an additional stalk that you put on the side of the steering column, and that allows you to set the speed exactly how cruise control works in possibly your other vehicles, and it is all now integrated into this little vehicle, which is absolutely incredible and works really, really well. Next thing that we've done on the vehicle cosmetically on the outside is done some window tints, which look really smart, and we've also done the yellow caliper paint to match the yellow paintwork on the vehicle too. So on the exterior, that's pretty much it, and then the rest of our time has been spent on the interior. What we've added into this vehicle, just to bring the spec exactly to how our client wanted it, is addition of heated seats. The switch is mounted on the side of the seat, which is really easy to access, easy to use with a low setting, a high setting, and an off setting. So that is really nice, and that has gone onto those leather seats, which performs really nicely. We've also upgraded the entertainment in the vehicle with the head unit. This is featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and we've also added in additional USB ports, USB-C and normal traditional USB in there for charging and replacement of the cigarette lighter socket down at the bottom. So that is pretty much kind of the inside. We also have done immobilization. So you'll note that we've got a little immobilizer tag now on this vehicle. This vehicle will not start without this tag present, which again, layer of security to protect the vehicle from being stolen, but also allows full access via the Scorpion Track app, where you can track the vehicle and also know exactly where the location is at all times. And you've got then support if the vehicle is ever stolen. The other thing we've added onto the vehicle is our baseball bat steering lock, which is again a really popular thing which we add onto vehicles, and this is actually being supplied in yellow to match the rest of the interior, which looks really cool and really, really smart. So that is pretty much it on the list. We've also added some little Abarth, like the gear gaiter cover. We've added an additional strap onto the back area, but quite a few different bits and pieces. And the car's also been in with the other brand, Cambridge Car Audio, for a full sound system upgrade as well. And that video will be live on our Cambridge Car Audio YouTube channel. If you haven't checked out that channel, make sure you do, guys. But overall, a really cool transformation on this little Abarth, and I'm sure the client, one thing I forgot, the exhaust. This sounds absolutely incredible. We've done the Monza exhaust on this. It sounds absolutely incredible. And this client's actually kind of spec'd this car, not only with our team here, with myself, but also by walking around our little yellow Abarth that we've got as well. And he's actually been using that as a hire car while we've had his Abarth in as well. But overall, a fantastic upgrade on the vehicle. Cosmetic changes, exhaust change, and also so much on the interior has made such a difference, this car. And I'm sure this client is going to absolutely love this one. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you on the next project.